This is Logic 2 Lucky Sums. The problem reads, given 3 int values, a, b, c, return their sum. However, if one of the values is 13, then it does not count towards the sum, and the values to the right does not count. For example, if b is 13, then both b and c do not count. In our first example, there is no 13, so all of these 3 numbers count towards the sum, which is 6. In our second example, c is 13, so we only count 1 and 2. In our last example, we see that b is 13, so we don't count b or c, so we're just left with 1. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to just go through a, b, c, and see if there's a 13. So if a is equal to 13, we're going to return 0, because anything to the right we don't count. If b is 13, we're going to return a, else if c is equal to 13, we're going to return a plus b, else that means there is no 13, and return a plus b plus c.